Hey guys, welcome to this video on teaching slope. There's a lot to slope, but one of the introductory lessons that you can do for your students is to teach them Mr. Slope Dude. Now, I didn't come up with Mr. Slope Dude, and whoever did, thank you. But I want to show him to you for all of you teachers out there that have never met Mr. Slope Dude. Again, it's an introductory way to show kids what a positive, negative, undefined, and zero slope looks like in a fun way. It's easy to put in the notes. So here he is. First thing that you do is you draw a head. You draw a head. You'll draw that head and you say, okay, what does a positive slope look like going from left to right? Most of the time kids can say it's going up. That's a positive thing. When your grades go up, that's a positive thing. But when your grades go down from left to right, that's a negative thing. We don't want that. And that's a negative slope. Well, you can see now that I've got an eyebrows here and I've got two little eyes. He'll come into better picture here in just a second. After a positive and negative slope, we then talk about undefined. Now, I tell my kids, and some of you might not want to use this, it might be too graphic, but I tell my kids, maybe let's picture you're on a slope and you're skiing, and right, you're going up the mountain, you're going down the mountain, but what if you fell off a cliff that was going straight down? What would happen to you at the bottom? You might be called undefined, unrecognizable. They wouldn't even know what happened to you. You'd fall down so far and so fast. You'd be undone, undefined. And so we draw a line here that's going straight up and down, an undefined slope. And we draw the nub of a nose and we make the letter U for undefined. So this is undefined. The U is for undefined. And then lastly, of course, you draw the mouth. And this is a flat line. And you use an example like if you were skiing and you were going, you're trying to go fast and you got to this section of the mountain, how fast would you go? You wouldn't go anywhere. It's flat. You'd go 0 miles per hour. That's a zero slope. Now, that's Mr. Slope Dude. He looks a little glum. You don't have to be. Best of luck teaching slope.